And welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to walk you through how to send money through Lazypay. Now, based on the available information, Lazypay's primary services revolve around providing a credit line to users for transactions with merchants, paying bills, or availing personal loan. Lazypay does not offer a feature to directly send money to friends or other individuals. So, here's a breakdown of what you can use it for. You can use it to get personal loans called Express Cash. Now, Lazypay offers instant personal loans that disburse to your bank account. This is not a money transfer feature, but provide funds you can then use as needed. How do you get it? Open the Lazypay app, check for your eligibility for an Express Cash loan. Complete the online application within the app, provide necessary documents like PAN and adhere. Once approved, the loan amount is disbursed instantly to your linked bank account. Repay the loan through the equated monthly installments as per the agreed upon tenure and interest rate. But once the money is in your bank account, you can now transfer it to whoever you want to transfer it to. In summary, you cannot directly send money to another person using Lazypay, but you can send it to your bank account through the Express loan, and from there you can send it to the person you want to send the money to. It's as easy as that.